So the intrigue surrounding Modi's candidature for Lok Sabha polls may well end today as BJP's Central Election Committee meets this morning at about 11. Apart from that, 150 candidates will be finalized. The meeting is crucial as the party is expected to decide on the candidates from crucial states of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar.
BJP is set to decide its candidates for about 150 seats, including about 50 crucial seats in Uttar Pradesh and 25 in Bihar. Candidates for Rajasthan, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra will also be decided at the party's CEC meeting. But all eyes will be focused on the ticket for Varanasi. Will party veteran Murli Manohar Joshi vacate Varanasi for Modi? A party veteran, Joshi is reluctant to give up his seat, which was being considered for Modi as a safe bet.
There is infighting going on within BJP over the Varanasi seat. This seat at the moment is held by senior BJP leader Murli Manohar Joshi. But now people in Varanasi want that Narendra Modi himself should contest from this seat. I have with me people in Varanasi. Let's get a reaction from them itself as to what do they want. आप बताइए, मुरली मनोहर जोशी 2009 में यहाँ से चुनाव जीते थे, क्या चाहते हैं? वो कंटिन्यू करें या नरेंद्र मोदी के लिए जगह?
नहीं, मोदी जी के लिए जोशी जी को सीट खाली करना चाहिए। इससे क्या होगा कि बिहार न केवल उत्तर प्रदेश में, बिहार की कई सीटों पर ये प्रभावित करेंगे, पूरा पूर्वांचल क्षेत्र को प्रभावित करेंगे।
मोदी जी को लड़ने से सबसे बड़ी फायदा होगी कि पूरे बिहार के मगध प्रमंडल क्षेत्र की जितनी भी बीजेपी की सीटें हैं वो भाजपा के कोटे में जाएगी और इससे हम पूर्ण बहुमत रूप में जीत हासिल करेंगे और नरेंद्र मोदी को प्रधानमंत्री का उम्मीदवार घोषित करते हुए उनको हम प्रधानमंत्री बना सकते हैं।
Apart from Varanasi, it will be interesting to see what BJP decides to do in Lucknow. Rajnath is facing stiff opposition from Lalji Tandon there, who does not want to leave Lucknow for the BJP chief. There is also minor tension over Kanpur, and with the entry of Ram Kripal Yadav, the Patliputra seat too has become contentious.
मैं कभी भी नेता नहीं रहा, गलियों का, नुकरों का, दुख और सुख का साथी रहा और 35 साल तक शुद्ध रूप से कार्यकर्ता बन के रहा।
All eyes will be on the crucial meeting at the BJP headquarters. The marathon meet is expected to continue till late evening, after which the list of candidates will be finalized. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
For more on that, we are now joined by my colleague Rohit Singh. He's in Varanasi. Also joining us from Delhi outside BJP office is Kamaljeet Sandhu. Let me come to you first, Rohit. All eyes are on Narendra Modi's UP seat, whether that will be announced today, and Varanasi could well be it.
Well, absolutely, Ruchika. Varanasi is waiting with bated breath. There's so much of suspense as to whether Narendra Modi will in fact contest from this seat or not. And there's been a lot of friction also within the party with Murli Manohar Joshi still clinging on to this seat. He wants to contest from this seat. But what actually does the people of Varanasi want? We'll get in a reaction from some of them I have with me. आप बताइए, मुरली मनोहर जोशी की ये सीट रही है इस साल, पिछले 5 सालों से, क्या चाहते हैं? उनको रिपीट करना चाहिए या फिर नरेंद्र मोदी को मौका मिले?
नरेंद्र मोदी को मौका मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि पिछले साल से मनोहर जोशी जी अभी तक कुछ नहीं किए हैं। अब नया कोई कैंडिडेट को देखा जाए।
नरेंद्र मोदी वो कैंडिडेट है क्या?
जी,
नरेंद्र मोदी वो कैंडिडेट हो सकते हैं?
जी, नरेंद्र मोदी को कैंडिडेट कर रहे हैं।
आपको क्या लगता है, मुरली मनोहर जोशी को रिपीट करें या फिर नरेंद्र मोदी को मौका मिले?
नरेंद्र मोदी को। क्योंकि जितने मुरली मनोहर जिसने के बाद एक बार भी बनारस की ये नहीं देखे कि क्या हाल है क्या नहीं है। सड़कें यहाँ बेकार थी, पानी व्यवस्था सब पूरी गंदगी फैली हुई है और मोदी को इसलिए लाना चाहते हैं कि एक बार उनको भी देखा जाए, आने के बाद वो भी क्या करते हैं। मगर हाँ, विश्वास है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जरूर ही करेंगे ये काम,
100% करेंगे।
So Ruchika, we see that the people here want that Narendra Modi should in fact contest from this seat. They are angry with that Murli Manohar Joshi, though he has been an MP from this place, but he has not really catered to the demands of the people. And especially if Narendra Modi contests from Varanasi, it will have a very great impact on at least 120 seats, 80 seats in Uttar Pradesh and 40 seats in Bihar. So it will have a lot of bearing, and that is why there is a growing clamor in Varanasi that in fact Narendra Modi should be given a chance to contest from this seat in these polls.
Well, let's see what the election panel of the BJP decides, considering Murli Manohar Joshi is also unwilling to let go of his constituency. Let's in fact go across to Kamaljeet Sandhu, who's outside BJP office. Kamal, Varanasi is not the only seat. There are several other seats that are controversial, considering we are talking about 150 seats, and that too in the crucial states of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, which is really, really important for BJP. So today's meeting in that sense very significant.
Well, definitely. So the BJP wants to cash in on the Modi wave, and that is why they want to field Narendra Modi from Uttar Pradesh, specifically from Varanasi. The task now is to calm the nerves, especially of Murli Manohar Joshi, whom they are offering Kanpur, which is a seat where Sri Prakash Jaiswal had won in 2009. They would want to shift him there. They've also got Ram Kripal Yadav, whom they want to field from Patliputra. He's a rebel RJD candidate who joined BJP. So in that sense, there is going to be a lot of shift in stance. Definitely some of the old timers won't be given a ticket. Some of the old timers could also be moved to other seats. This is not going to go down well, but the strategy is to win specifically with large numbers both in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. They want to be in a position where they can dominate, and that is why it's important that they don't have a controversy, especially in regards with Narendra Modi. Lalji Tandon has already said that if he wants to give his Lucknow seat, it will only be for Narendra Modi, from where Rajnath Singh wants to contest. So yes, they would have to calm the nerves down. We do expect a marathon meeting here in BJP. Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, LK Advani, Sushma Swaraj. The leaders are expected to come here anytime after 11 o'clock. By 11:30, we do expect the CEC meeting to begin. They would really don't want a specific image of a rift within the BJP or a poster war of BJP coming out in the open as it did earlier. So definitely a lot of work at hand. But definitely the main task is, one, to calm the nerves down and have a united front. And one thing is very clear, that Narendra Modi's seat from Uttar Pradesh, most likely the Varanasi seat, will be announced today itself.